guys, welcome back. Today's video we are gonna go do some grocery shopping because I'm all out of groceries. I already went for my coffee at 7 Brew. This is a white chocolate mocha with chocolate drizzle and whipped cream. It is by far my favorite. I also have to go we're gonna go to H-E-B to do some grocery shopping. I have to go to Walmart to buy some things, and hopefully I have enough time to go to Target. And I've been wanting to go to Barnes & Noble, but I don't know if that's gonna happen today or till like Thursday. But join us.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Probiotics. I got this soap bar. I usually get Dove, but I got this one instead. And this body oil. Whoa.
And check the other thing.
It is hot out there.
I know.
Sweaty. But I got an Olipop for now before ew.
There's a fly in here.
Before
Get out. No, shoot the fly away, dude. It's going to your side.
we're gonna go grab food right now. But I still need to take the kids to the library. And I might get some hair dye.
Hi. You can see me perfectly. You right there, hi.
Yeah, I hate Olipop. I don't know, I thought it was gonna taste good. Let me show you what I got at Sally's. My hair's a mess. I need a shower. I spent $32. I got the last two of these keratin sprays. Why does it look like that? I got them because they always run out. They take forever to get them again. And I got my hair dye. We're on our way to Sam's really quick and Five Below. I don't think I'm gonna have time to go to Target, but if not, that'll happen on Thursday.
Run free and dive into the sky. Hear the wind crying out its prayer. seem to be alive. Break the chains and our freedom's ours to take.
We're done showering. Now we're gonna do a little unboxing. I'm still missing one thing, but it hasn't gotten here, so hopefully before I end this video it'll get here. Let's start with Ipsy. So this is the second month I get it. I stopped ordering it a while ago, but I got it again. First I got this blending brush. Can never have enough brushes. And this is the bag. It's super cute. And ooh, it has these little beads right here. So let's open it. We'll see how good it is. I haven't used that. We have this night cream, and it's by Gold Faded MD. It doesn't smell like anything. A body lotion and smelled super good. Restores, moisturizes, and strengthens. That smells really, really good. I'm really excited to use that. And lastly, seems like a palette. It's Shades by Sean, Life of the Party Volume 1. This is the box. Oops. That's the box, and we have some browns. I'm not impressed by any of the things I've gotten, but we'll see how next month is. My husband, I wanted a new tripod because I want to record when I go to the store, but I get shy. But anyways, it's this one. It's by UB Size. Comes with the little holder. This is a tripod, and I am obsessed because it's pink. This goes in your cart, and it's bendy. And it also has a little remote. So I'm super excited about this one. Also a little adapter. I am so excited about this. I cannot wait to use this. I ordered this off of the TikTok shop. Do I need any more tripods? No, but I did buy one. This one right here. I can probably link it, but I'm not sure. It also comes with a remote. You can't really see it, but I'm gonna open it, but it's a remote. The instructions right here, and then this is the tripod. This thing is bigger. I thought. Oh, okay. This is the bottom. And then you can make it bigger. How am I gonna close it? I have no idea. And I saw that you can make it taller, but I don't know how. This is what I'm mostly excited about. Let's open it. I love Hello Kitty and I love Loungefly. So this is so cute, so sparkly. I love the sequins ones. Those are my favorite. And it comes with a little cord. The phone detaches. This is so cute. And then there's a little bag right here behind the phone. And let's open the inside. This one was, I believe, 90 plus tax. Okay, and this is the inside. Oh, can you see? So by far, this is my favorite. So I want to show you this jacket off. I just got it sent from a company called Everless, and they are on TikTok. If you guys are interested, this will be linked in my TikTok showcase in case you're all are interested. And this is in a size extra large. I am a size 16 in case you all need a reference. This is the back. And it is super, super cute and very good quality. In case you are interested, go ahead and check out my TikTok.